Welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you how I did a sleek low bun on my natural type 4 hair. So I'm going to show you the whole process from start to finish, and if that sounds like something you're interested in, keep on watching. Now I'm gonna start by showing you guys everything I used to achieve this hairstyle. I'm going to be using the Camille rice milk leave-in conditioner to moisturize my hair. Also, I'm going to be using the Ecostyler gel. You can use whichever gel that works for you. I'm also going to be using water, styling brush, sectioning comb, elastic bands, and butterfly clips. I believe that's what it's called. The first thing I did was part my hair at the front just so I will be able to have a center pattern. For this hairstyle, I had to make sure to work in sections. So if your hair is way thicker than mine, you want to make sure that you part yours in smaller sections than this. And then when I part this section, the first thing I did was to spray some water just to make sure that it's soft. And then I'm going to go ahead with the Ecostyler gel. So after putting enough gel, I'm going to go ahead to brush my hair with my styling brush. And then go in with an elastic band to hold this. And that's exactly what I did with every single part of this hair. You will see what I mean. So basically just keep taking chunks, keep doing the same process, add water to like soften it, leave-in conditioner to make sure it is very soft for me to work on. I don't know if you guys noticed, but I actually forgot to apply the leave-in in the first section, but yeah, I'm going to apply the leave-in in the remaining part. Then I go ahead with the gel and rub it through and just keep adding it up into a bun. So basically just keep doing it until you're done with the entire hair. now that I'm done with this process for like my entire head, I'm just gonna go ahead to make sure, you know, my hair is slicked down really good with this styling brush that I just kept using to brush down my hair. Guys, this brush helped me so much during the entire process. Like, it just made it so flat. Oh my god. And then after slicking everything down and making sure everything is neat, after all that, I'm going to go ahead and tie my satin scarf on my hair, and I will just leave this to dry. I will leave it for about 1.5 hours and I will be right back. So this is 1.5 hours later, and this is what the result looks like. That's basically all I did for this hairstyle, guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you guys actually love the result, because I definitely did. I think this is the best sleek low bun I've ever done for myself. I hope you guys give this video a big thumbs up, comment, share, subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. I love you guys. Bye.
It's a draft. Yeah. All my friends pulled up